Trieste has been named among top 10 cities to visit in 2025 by Booking.com.
Well, for me, I think Trieste is one of the most beautiful cities in Italy because it has, well, I love nature and it is very close to the nature. You can see the mountains and it also has the sea.
25.
And
In my opinion, Trieste is a beautiful city because it's near the sea.
Venice or Florence, Rome, of course, the most famous in Italy. I don't think if I was a stranger who came here for the first time in Italy, I don't think I would visit Trieste as a top 3 cities.
All the statue, for example, James Joyce or Umberto Saba, gives the city another taste, another way of seeing the city that is more of on a cultural way than a building structure.
No, I think it suits very well to the role, so it's fine.